Guys, so I just got my fresh package from the crab place, and I wanted to do a comparison of what you guys can probably get locally versus what you guys can get shipped to you fresh and direct. Check it out, let's go. Guys, so we went to the store and we got all the scallops we could find. These are frozen straight from Canada. These are also 20 to 40 count scallops. So that means that there's 20 to 40 that make up a whole pound. So they're a little bit smaller. And as you'll see, they do not tell us where these are from, but these are the fresh ones we got, but we just don't know where they're from. And now let me show you the crab place's scallops. And these are sourced from the US, from the Atlantic Ocean. So you know exactly where they're coming from, and they're 10 count scallops. So as you see, this one, let's do a size comparison. I have some that are thawed here. These are the 10 counts, fresh, high quality. These are what we get at our local grocery store. Put these down so you can actually get a good tell of the size difference. I mean, obviously, which one would you choose? Now, the best part, my favorite, time to start cooking.